It's a firm trade setup this morning yet again, so let's find out some top ideas that our chartists are betting on. Dr. C.K. Narayan as well as Kunal Bothra joining in to share with us their calls. Dr. Narayan, first up to you. What are you betting on this morning?
SGX continuing to indicate that we should have an upward tick. The difference between the last two sessions when the market was up and today could only be the fact that A, it is a weekend, so people generally tend to take some profits off the table if prices are at higher levels. B, 2 days of rise would definitely have created or induced people into creating some fresh long positions. Now these also will await higher market levels to exit the long. So therefore, I would suggest that higher levels today should not be used to buy into, and we should avoid chasing stocks. And we should be rather careful about what we get into, and for that I think news-based stocks would be the best bet. Motherson Sumi is one of the stocks that I'm recommending. They have announced plans of reorganization, which the market seems to have received well and pushed up the stock. I see the stock continuing till about 112 targets, so buy with a stop at about 99. UBL has been on the fringes of breaking out into a strong uptrend and reasserted those intentions yesterday. So maybe UBL should be one of the stocks that might participate in today's market, take it up higher, targeting 1080. So initiate long with a stop loss 1030.
Looking at some of those newsmakers in today's trading session, that's the strategy that CK is adopting. What about you, Kunal, this morning? What are some of the fresh recommendations?
I'm also going with a couple of buy calls. The first one is about Tata Steel. Now, what's actually happening is many of these large cap names, they've been forming some very similar chart patterns. It's more or less like a bullish flag or a pennant formation for many of the large cap names. So we need to see how the market reacts to this. Whether it's a consensus breakout for all of them or whether it's very, very specific to the individual stocks or not. So I picked up Tata Steel in that regards. It's a buy, short-term targets to be kept at 364. Stop loss could be kept at 317. Even I have picked up, Motherson Sumi. In fact, yesterday on the closing show as well, I had given this as a buy call. Again, the stock coming back after this almost a 1 month of sideways range, closing about that 100 mark. Good volumes, good breakout on charts as well as decent indicator patterns. So I think on the back of all of that, I believe Motherson Sumi could also see a decent upside from current levels. 110 plus is where I would keep the initial targets, and stop loss could be kept at 99.